Hi, my name is ADAWIYAH binti Muhammad SUHAIMI. My matric number is 82280301. First, introduction. 1.1 background, technology and purchasing and ticket purchasing. Rapid advancement of information technology has made daily tasks easily. Ticket purchasing shifted from physical counter to online platform, and user prefer online ticket purchasing. Next is online platform. Why people use online platform? Because they can saving time, can see display multiple payment options and price comparison tools. Next is offline platform, used by people less exposed to technology, elderly and rural communities, and users of concerns about online security. Next is main research issue. Difference between online and offline ticket purchasing. Service satisfaction, users behavior and factor affection platform choosing. 1.2 problem statement. First, digital technology development. Daily tasks are easily to purchase ticket. Online ticket purchase increasing due the efficiency. Second is offline method. Some users still prefer use offline method because lack of technology skill, security concerns, and limited internet access. Third is gap between online and offline method. Service focus on offline system. User with online method risk because left out. Lead of poor customer satisfaction. Last is important of study. Highlight the differences between online and offline ticket buying. Expose user behavior, preference and satisfaction. Next is 1.3 research question. Our research question is, first, what elements need to be considered with ensuring customer satisfaction level in purchasing ticket? Second is, how to difference ticket purchasing method impact customer satisfaction? And last is, online versus offline, choose one is the best purchasing method. Choose among customer. 1.4 research objective. Our research objective is identify the factor that influence user to make the choice of purchasing ticket online or offline. Analysis the advantage and disadvantage of using both ticket purchasing platform from the user perspective. And last is compare the level of satisfaction among user toward online and offline purchasing method. Next is 1.5 research satisfactions. Our research satisfaction is provide expose regarding the advantage and disadvantage of purchasing ticket online versus offline. Measure user satisfaction level across all ticket purchasing platform. Helps identify the factors why user choose the platform and contribute to the academic field by adding scientific research data. 1.6 operational definition. Online platform usually done by purchasing via a website or mobile application. Transaction without physical preference to counter, such as using a platform like RateBus, EasyBook, and so on. Offline platform is purchasing ticket that is physically done at the specific location, usually need to be present to that location. Ticket purchasing is the process of obtaining ticket of transportation or even participation or insurance purpose. Next is customer satisfaction. The positive accepted from user regarding the experience they got from purchasing that ticket. Thank you.
As we can see, this is table that showing some of theory that can be used in the dependent variable and independent variable. Hi everyone, my name is Aminuddin bin Muhammad Hafiz Libau. My metric number is A22B1073. So I'm going to present chapter 2, literature review. The first one is key concept, theories and studies. In this study, we are going to measure customer experience as the dependent variable in this research. Customer experience refers to how satisfied and fulfilled customers feel after buying transportation tickets, whether online or at a counter. It includes emotional and rational reactions such as ease of use, information clarity, staff helpfulness, and payment security. One of the key theories used is the expectation confirmation theory (ECT), where satisfaction depends on whether the service meet or exceed expectations. And this variable also will be measured through Likert scale questions by considering some factors such as satisfaction, convenience, trust, and willingness to recommend the service. The next is key debates and controversies. Customer satisfaction is subjective, influenced by emotions, expectations, and personal factors, making it hard to measure objectively. There is a debate between service quality versus satisfaction, where service quality is more objective, while satisfaction is emotional. Timing is also debated. This is because there is a question of should we measure satisfaction immediately after ticket purchase or after travel is complete. Another issue is should satisfaction be measured as a single experience or split into booking, payment, and travel experience. Some people also argue that satisfaction does not always lead to loyalty, where other factors like trust or perceived value may be more reliable. The last part is gaps in existing knowledge. There is a lack of direct comparison between online and counter ticket purchasing experience. Most research focus on airlines or urban transport, ignoring local and regional transport services. Satisfaction is often oversimplified. Studies rarely separate phases like searching, paying, or confirming bookings. Demographics like age or digital skills are rarely studied, even though they may affect satisfaction in online settings. There are also very few studies to look at how platform design, usability, or digital features influence satisfaction.
Hello, my name is Muhammad ATIQURRAHMAN Muhammad Nur and my metric number is A22B1298. Now I would like to present about key concept, theories and studies. Okay, we have 5 points. For the first is technology acceptance model, in bracket TAM. The second is Dillon and McLean information system success model. Third, expectancy disconfirmation theory, in bracket EDT. Fourth, e-service quality model, in bracket e-ServQual. And the last is holistic analytical framework. Thank you. For key debates and controversies, first is convenience vs a digital divide. Second, security concerns and market manipulation. Third, economic fairness and price inflation. Fourth, consumer satisfaction at risk. And the last is call for balanced regulation. For the gaps in existing knowledge, first is lack of consumers diversity in research. Second, understudies trust and long-term user behavior. Third is missing analysis on economic fairness. Four is a gap in platform feature impact studies. And the last new contribution is mean focus on marginalized perspective. Now in 2.4. For the first 2.4.1 is a key concept, theories and studies. For the first, independent variables in physical ticket processing. Second, application of the vehicle model. Third is digital divide theory and accessibility. Fourth is the queuing theory and time efficiency. And the last is integrated theoretical framework and research contribution. For the key debates and controversies, first ongoing debate relevance of physical ticket counter. Second is inclusivity and the digital divide. The third, cost vs human touch. And the fourth is security and trust perception. And the last, call for a hybrid model. For the gaps in existing knowledge, for the first is neglect of physical ticketing in research. The second is theoretical limitations. And the third, demographic bias in existing research. The fourth, lack of sector specific studies. And the last, need for inclusive balanced research. Now 2.5 framework. For the first in framework is a research focus. It means customer satisfaction as dependent variable. The second, comparison between online and content methods. The third, key influencing factors. And the fourth, moderating variables. And the last is purpose of the framework.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NORSYAZREENA binti Esa and my metric number is A22A1250. Next, I would like to talk about research design. This research uses quantitative and descriptive design to analyze how people purchase transport tickets, either online or offline. The questionnaire was divided into 4 sections. Section A collects demographics like age and gender. Section B explores purchasing behavior. Section C includes independent variables like satisfaction with the method used. Section D is the dependent variable focused on user satisfaction. Next, let's move on to next slide, which is 3.2 method and sources. We collected primary data using Google Form, mainly from UMK students who are frequent users of public transport and ticketing platform. We also reviewed 6 journal articles as secondary sources to strengthen our research model. Data was managed using Excel and analyzed in SPSS to explore patterns and relationships in consumer behavior. Last, sampling and research analysis. We use convenience sampling, focusing on students who have experience buying ticket online or offline. Our target was 50 respondents, but we reached 18 respondents, which improved accuracy. For independent variables, section C includes factors like platform ease, counter experience, and payment security. Section D captures the dependent variable user satisfaction. We analyzed the data using SPSS through descriptive and inferential statistics to see how experience affects preference.
Hello, my name is JENIOL and my metric number is A22A0825, and now I'll be presenting about practical implications on the research. So firstly, help business improve online or offline ticket strategies. Secondly, to guide improvements in digital platforms such as security, speed, and service. Thirdly, justify maintaining offline counters for certain users. Next, support policy decisions on digital access and literacy. And lastly, encourage safer online usage in rural or older communities. Next, I'll be presenting about the contributions to knowledge of the research. So firstly, we have adds to technology adoption models such as UTAUT and TAM. And secondly, shows offline methods still matter for some group. And next, suggest hybrid online and also offline strategies. And next, opens research on service access, trust, and digital literacy. And lastly, fills gap in comparative ticketing platform studies. That's all from me. Thank you.